Make food. My FYP is making me hungry. Alright. I low-key think I'm probably just gonna eat like a snack or something, like just some chips, you know? Just a little bit of chips. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna eat some bread. Like, wait, not just done. No, not just plain bread, bro. Not just plain bread. I'm talking about like with like jelly on top and stuff. Okay, that should be good. That should be fine. Yeah, I'm gonna check the date. 10:45. Uh, July 26, 26. Never mind. I don't think these are good anymore. I just won't pray yet. Oh, hey, turn that back on. That background is perfect for this video. Hey, don't look at my password. I see you looking at my password. Girl, don't touch my password. Well, now what am I trying to do? Food? Wish you knew I loved your past. Yeah. Okay, my fault. You don't even know what dance moves I'm doing behind the screen right now. But I'm just shaking my head like, yeah. Okay. What? Okay, so we're gonna get a big fat whisk and we're gonna whisk the air, okay? This is how you make airsoft cake, okay? So you're gonna take your airsoft iPad and you're going to girl pause. And then you're gonna take your whisk and you're gonna mix it all together, crunch it up good, like eggs. Cause you're gonna boom, boom, boom. And then you're gonna take your bread and put the airsoft filling inside the bread. I mean outside and yeah, in between the bread. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then girl, I just want to pause for a second. Um and then you eat it. Yeah, it's yummy. Girl, I don't know what to eat, bro. Don't you wish you knew your best? Yep. Girl, there's some crackers. No. The crackers, there's only 2 crackers. That's not gonna fill me up. Don't you wish you knew your best? There's chips, but they're really spicy. Like, I don't think you can eat those. Like, bro, stop turning off! Don't look at my password, guys. I know you're looking. This is just gonna be a little bit of me just trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat. Don't you wish you knew your best? Yeah. Bruh, you think your mom got me a butter? No. Guys, the butter my mom got me was rock solid. Honey, that's not. It's really good. You need to get it. It's right on it. Okay, I'm kidding. I would never say that. Wish you knew I love your best. Alright. I mean, nothing here. There's sausage. Bro, there's nothing to eat. Wait a minute, I think I got. Shush. French fries from McDonald's are the love of my life, bro. They just saved me. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna put them on a plate and put them in the microwave for like 30 seconds. That should be good, right? 30 seconds. Yeah, they're pretty cold. Probably because they were in the fridge. Why don't I sweep that out? I don't know why I did that. Oh. If you're hungry, this is your sign to go get McDonald's French fries right now. Wait, guys, now I have to tell you a McDonald's story about how my uncle and my aunt got engaged. Okay, so it's actually really funny, So basically, it has to do with McDonald's, okay? And a McDonald's bag as well. I'm gonna tell you after this is done because you probably can't hear me and I'm trying not to scream because I don't really want to. And also, why would you want to hear me screaming? No, they're sizzling. Yo, I put them in for too long. I put them in for like, I stopped it at too long. And now they're like wet and soggy, like with the grease. So good though. Mmm, so good. Sprinkle a little bit of my own salt on it because it loses some salt after you put it in the microwave. So yeah. Yeah. Let's go. I was really hungry and I was like, bro, what do I eat? And I was like, yo. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. Never mind. Be right back. Yo, I legit inhaled, not thinking. I inhaled, not thinking. While I was eating a French fry. Don't worry, I'm not choking. I'm still gonna eat these though. Bro, I literally got up. Bro, I got up to go get water. I put the tiniest amount of water in there, bro. Hold on, if they say chicken, you have to subscribe. What does it even mean by that? What does that mean? Why are they laughing? I don't understand. Oh, yeah. but I need to go get some more water. That was my sparkling water, by the way, because I have one more left, so yeah, so good. It's a bubbler. I will thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.